Okay, here is the chart I told you I was going to send for you to practice. I couldn't send it before because my board is very small, the one at home. So well, I came to Acatlán to make the video here. So we have review starter 2. So the first column is affirmative, negative, question with auxiliary, and WH question. Then the next column is simple present, 1, 2, simple past, 3, 4 different subjects that you have to use. And then we made a column for object pronouns, that is letter E, me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Possessive adjectives, F, my, your, his, her, its, our, their. And we include in the class, do you remember, the cards, the verb cards from Melo, like these ones, the ones that have the pictures, and at the back they have the conjugation of the verbs. Very simple cards, but very useful. So what we did was to use the capital letter A, B, C, or D, and then the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then E or F. These ones are not in capital, they are in short, and this one G. So that's how we did. So here is the first example. A is affirmative. Where is that? Over there in affirmative. Here we have affirmative. Then we have my cousin, that is number 2, because it's simple past, number 2 in the chart. And then we have the use of an object pronoun. So you have to choose the object pronoun, and it has to be in simple past. So let me write the example. Okay, here's the first example. So we have affirmative, the subject my cousin, with an object pronoun and sleep. So we have my cousin in the past is slept. Remember that the verb card is showing you sleep, slept, slept. So we use the second one. With it, that would be the object pronoun, that is E, that is here. So I decided to use it. You could use any other, but I decided to use it. And it could be a pillow, a sweater, a pajama. So my cousin slept with it yesterday. That would be one example using our review chart. Now let's do another example. Okay, we have another example. So it is D. And in the chart, we check that D is the WH questions. Why, where, when. Then we have 7, okay? Over there it says 7, and 7 is the student. And that is in simple present, in the column of the simple present. Simple present. And then we have F, that is possessive adjectives. You could choose any. I decided to choose his. And then the verb run, again from the verb cards. Run, ran, run. Okay, so we have here where, that is the WH, auxiliary does for the he, she, or it, okay? And then we have the student, that is the subject, and run, this is a verb. Remember, we do not conjugate the verb because we have the auxiliary here. And then with preposition, and we have his team. This is the possessive adjective, possessive adjective. So that is another example. Where does the student run with his team? Well, we could even answer, no? He runs at the university. He runs at the university. And over here we write the S because this is affirmative. This has the auxiliary because it is a question. Well, my dear students, I hope this video works for you. And well, see you around. Take care.